Good morning, guys. We've got a cluster home here for the lock up and go fanatics. This is really it. You don't have to do anything. We're in the heart of Midstream. We've got all the safety, etc., etc. As far as positioning is concerned, this is as good as it gets. It's literally, I would say, about 500 meters from the gate, and then onto the Brakfontein Road, which leads to the rest of Gauteng, basically. So yeah, inside you can see this side here, I've got extra parking. I've got a double garage entrance that side. The garden is literally a lock up and go scenario, so there's nothing to be done. Big front door welcoming us to this property with a big double volume entrance. As you go into the foyer, you can see my staircase leading to that side. I've got very nice wallpaper. What you see in the house is what's going to stay in the house. So the owner have literally took out all his personal belongings, all his books and so forth. So the study here is for somebody that needs to work from home. I've got air conditioning to make it easy for winter work as well as for summer work, so you can easily heat it up or cool it down. Curtains all around, very nice curtaining. This side, if we go further on, then you'll see we get to the living area. I've got a walk-in pantry. The walk-in pantry, as I say, for all that stuff that you don't have space for, more than enough space on the inside there. I've got cabinetry going this side. So in other words, for the kitchen, we've got pots and pans, etc., all within arm's reach. I've got a very nice double fridge space, as bigger than normal. So yeah, that's also very nice here. This side here, I've got a breakfast nook that where 3 people can sit down easily. I would say even a bigger family of 4 people can sit down. This side here, I've got stacking folding doors leading to the stream in Midstream. I've got a very nice open plan living area this side with a patio and a braai patio this side. Once again, stacking folding doors, making it easy to entertain. We've got this side also almost like a built-in bar fridge. That's also got your wine racks, stacking folding doors that side. So opening it all up on a very nice summer day, you can sit outside chilling, enjoying a late afternoon drink. If we move this side, you'll see that we do have a scullery area. The scullery has got place for 3 appliances. I've got the back door this side, and then I've got my broom cupboard this side. Very nice double zinc that also hides all the dirty stuff one-sided away. I've even got a water filter for purified water. And a nice double garage leading this way. Also, that's, as you can see, it's even got a workbench. This side here, just the gardening tools, should you need those. But yeah, so that's all the stuff that's here. Right, let's go outside and let's just have a look on the outside. If we go out here, you'll see this door here. I've got a little hook that it can stay open, and this is a play area where you've got your own private little garden area. You can see there the park personnel of the estate cleans the area very nicely. The stream has got a serenity to it. This side here is my outside entertainment area, stacking folding doors that open up. I've got an outside braai area as well, so I've got an inside braai, and for the people who like to braai outside, there's even an outside braai patio. Let me show the upstairs area for you so that you guys can also have a look at what we've got on the upside. So this is all the living areas is all downstairs, and upstairs we do have all the bedrooms. I've got 3 ensuite bedrooms, very nice size. I've also got a pajama lounge for where the parents need to entertain separately from the kids. Just past the reception area again. up with the staircase. Hi guys, a very nice comfortable staircase, as you can see. Very nice lighting, chandelier almost on the staircase. We've got a nice landing area here leading into a massive bedroom. We haven't got a bed here yet, so there's more than enough place for a double bed, enough cupboard space there for the ladies and so forth. A very nice ensuite bathroom, zinc shower, toilet, nice comfortable bath with even enough space for all the laundry. Nice air conditioning as well, with a roof fan should you prefer to have it that way during summer. Coming this way is my second bedroom, also a very nice comfortable size. Ladies never have enough cupboard space, but as you can see, nice cabinetry with more than enough space that side. Also a full bathroom ensuite with a shower here behind the door, basin, bath, toilet, full on. And then we're going to go back this way. We do have a comfortable pajama lounge with its own TV, so the kids want to entertain separately from mom and dad having their function downstairs. Kids can easily watch their own programming upstairs, even place for some gaming. This side here is just the outside patio as well, that we do have space if one wants to put up an umbrella, even in the table or maybe that side. And then once again, you've got the serenity of the play area in the background. Neighbors, it's all their southern side, so it's still very, very comfortable. We can still pack out all that stuff. Leading to the master bedroom, and the master bedroom is huge. I mean, it's like a passage that we've got in here that should one also with the sliding door for easy living in, you know, if you want to live at night. It's very safe here, so you can leave that open during the night. Nice comfortable king size bed with bed cupboards, enough cupboards for her, and I suppose this would be his section. And then a very nice big bathroom with the his and hers basin, nice shower for the big men like myself, and then just a separate toilet with a door that can close off of privacy.